Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Balyn. Are my hands orange from tanning solution? No, we're good. Today's video is a $300 dollskill try-on haul. We're doing this vlog style, or how I've been filming my outfits of the week because my husband took my tripod. So we're gonna be a little bit creative and film like this. So let's get into the try-on. We're starting out with this top. I'm a little bit familiar with their line of Poster Girl, but as you can see, so I got a size extra small in this top, and it's not doing a lot for my armpit area. I think it's because this top is just too small. So if you're interested in this black tube crop top, very fitted, like couldn't even get a bra on underneath type. If you like it, size up, especially if you want to wear a bra. But I do enjoy the simplistic details of this. Like, I love the little rhinestones, very kind of early 2000s. I do wish it went all the way to the back. It kind of stops, but I guess then you wouldn't have adjustable straps, which, you know, you kind of need with this top. And I don't remember the prices off the top of my head, so I will put them down in the video description with the links if you want to check out any of the items I show. Why don't we make this super simple and just talk about these pants next. They are also by the brand Poster Girl. I got them also in a size extra small. I personally have them cropped right now. You can wear them all the way down. I am 5'4", so I would say if you're taller, they're gonna be cropped on you. If you're my height or shorter, you can wear these like long. My one small issue is this noise. It's like not the end of the world, but it's just not my favorite noise, if you know what I mean. These I would also say run small. This is very tight, very fitted on me, while the extra part is very loose. And I know the oversized is the style, but I just feel like they could have taken in just a teeny bit to make them a bit more fitted. I mean, they're comfortable, they're just noisy. And that is it for this look. Let's move on to the next. And back with a new item. I know, doesn't look very different. I mean, obviously, different top. That's what we're here for. This little ensemble right here. Wait, what is it? Is it Poster Girl? Oh my god, I don't remember. Yeah, is again from the Poster Girl collection. I think it's a little bit sheer. Like, I feel a little bit uncomfortable, but every bra I put on, you can like see. Obviously a nude bra would be best, but it's in the wash, so no bra. Let me bring you in closer so you can really get this video taken off the internet. What I love about this set right here is that you can mix and match, so they aren't connected. Like, you have to put one on and then the other. So if you want just like long sleeves under a t-shirt, you can throw this on. You can put this on with like any other top of your choice, but it's comfy. And I feel like with these pants, I'm getting a bit of a Sporty Spice vibes, which I'm okay with. Actually, I think this set I'm gonna wear together, and you're probably gonna see it on my outfit of the week. Enough of this top, let's go. And I have no pants on. Okay, I apologize. I'm gonna put pants on in a second, but I want you to be able to see this full bodysuit, and I'm gonna put some sweatpants on. It is sheer, but it's like a wearable sheer. It even goes all the way to the back. I mean, a lot of detail in this. I believe this is a size small. It's by a brand like Banju. It's not like a notable brand, but for how much detail and how comfortable it is and how like flattering it is, I do think it was a steal of a price. I do think it was more up there than my other items. I think it was like $50. Again, I'll put it in the video description, but well worth the money if you're looking for a sheer bedazzled. I mean, I could see this at Coachella. I could see this at Stagecoach. There's a lot of potential here. I might even wear it for my birthday. We have this top, which is actually a bodysuit. I'll show you better in a second. And these sweatpants right here. These are both in a size small, and let me note 2 issues really quick before I start getting into what I like. My first issue is actually the same as the first top. I don't know if it's like the fact that they have the chain, the other one had the rhinestones, and it's just not doing a lot for this area of my body. Like, it's just, I'm really trying here. The other issue is with the pants, so let me bring you downtown. Pretty basic kind of casual sweatpants. The only flaw I want to note right off the bat is out of any items I've ever got from dollskill, these have a artificial scent to it. All right, I took the pants down a notch so I could show you more of the bodysuit. It's more like a bikini or a cheeky. It's not one of those thong suits. It does come up very high, which I kind of like. The cups are padded, like fully lined. You definitely don't need a bra with it. This portion of the bodysuit all the way downtown is sheer. So just keep that in mind. Like, you know, it's sheer. This is the brand TikTok. Haven't heard of them before. I don't think they're a huge brand to my knowledge. And then for the sweatpants, I would say they're super, super basic. I mean, they have pockets that are real. Appreciate a good pocket. I wouldn't say anything special. They're the brand, I think, Hey Babe. Haven't heard of them. Sweatpants, they're okay. Next up, we have this sweater right here. I paired it with all white. It is by the brand TikTok, which is the same company that made the bodysuit. So it is a hoodie, zip up, destroyed, distressed knit. It is a little destroyed, kind of in like a pirate-y way. Like, I wish it was more kind of like holy, you know what I mean? You can definitely tell it was sewn with like destroyed tassels. You know what, let me try the hood. I haven't tried the hood yet. It's a little weird. Like, what's he doing? All in all, I still think it's cute. I think it's wearable. I'm definitely gonna wear it. It's good for a transition into spring, for like spring nights. And guys, that is everything. I hope that you enjoyed this little mere try-on haul with me. If you have any questions or future requests, leave them in the comment section down below. And if you're curious about anything or what anything costs, I have that down in the video description. And I will see you guys very soon. Bye!